Hello everyone and welcome to this video on the Python programming language. So in this video we're going to create a chatbot using Python. Now there are two variants of chatbots. One is the self-learning bots, which are the ones that use some machine learning based approach to chat, and then the other bot is the rule-based bot, and it's a bot that answers questions based on some rules on which it is trained on. And that's the bot that we're going to be using, or that's the approach that we're going to be using to build our chatbot. So right now I have an example of the chatbot that we're going to build, at least a similar one. And I'm doing this on Google's website called colab.research.google.com. And I'm on this website because it makes it really easy to get started writing code in Python. So you don't have to install Python onto your computer. You can just go to this website and then log in using your Google account and then start writing your Python code right away. All right, so let's take a look at this chatbot here. It says, "Hi, I'm j.a.r.v.i.s, and I want to help and chat with you." Then it says, "Please type lowercase English language to start a conversation. Type quit to leave." Okay, so we'll type hello, and it says hello. And then I will put, my name is Frank. And it says, "Hello, Frank, how are you?" And I'm going to put, I'm good. Can you help me? Question mark. And it says, I can help you. So I'm going to put great, comma, I want to know the price of Bitcoin. So it says the price of Bitcoin when you started this chat was 9,659.04, and that's in USD. So I'm going to put that's a lot for a digital currency. Do you know the price, or do you know, we'll put how much Litecoin is, question mark. And it doesn't have a response for that. But now if I were to put something like how much is Litecoin, then it does know how to respond to that. And it says the price of Litecoin when you started this chat was 90.58. So we can see when it comes to a rule-based approach that sometimes the computer doesn't have a response to the pattern. So it didn't understand this pattern here that I put, so the response was none. Okay, so let's also ask this chatbot a few more questions like what's your favorite sport, question mark, and it puts I'm a very big fan of basketball. Who is your favorite actress, question mark, Zendaya. Who created you, question mark. Randerson112358 created me using Python's NLTK library. All right, and now let's just quit the bot. So I type quit here. And when I quit the bot, it printed out, "It was nice talking to you. See you soon." Okay, so let's go ahead and get started writing a similar chatbot ourselves. So I'm going to go to the collaboratory home. I'm going to click on File and then New Python 3 Notebook. And in this notebook here, we're going to write a description of what the program does in comments. So this is a chatbot program. And I'm going to create a new cell by clicking this code button. And here we're going to import the library. So we're going to be using the NLTK library. So from nltk.chat.util, we're going to import chat and reflections. Okay, and then I'm going to run this by clicking that button here, and hopefully there are no errors. So let's see if we get an error message, and we don't. So I'm going to create a new cell here, and I'm going to create a variable called pairs, which will be a list. More specifically, it's going to be a list of patterns and responses. So let's go ahead and do that, and let's type a pattern here, like my name is Marlena, and then the response will be hi Marlena. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and run this, And let's create a new cell, and I'm going to create a variable called chat and set it equal to our chat object. And within the chat parameter, I'm going to put in pairs. And then I want to converse with this chatbot. So to do that, just type chat.converse method and run this. And just like that, we have a chatbot set up already for us. So it might not be a great chatbot, but it's pretty cool that you could do this in a few lines of code. So let's type my name is Marlena, and the response is hi Marlena. Okay, so excellent. So let's say my name is Nick, then the response is none because it doesn't know this pattern. So let's add this pattern. So let's put a comma. I'm going to copy this here and paste it here. So we're going to put my name is Nick, and then the response is going to be hi Nick. Okay, so I'm going to stop this chatbot here. Let's run pairs, and now let's run our chatbot again. And I'm going to put my name is Marlena, and it's going to say hi Marlena. I'm going to put my name is Nick, and it's going to say hi Nick. But let's say my name is Jack. So my name is Jack. Then it doesn't know how to respond to that, and it puts none. So do we have to keep doing this for every single name? Well, no. What we can do is use regular expressions. So let's get rid of this pattern and response here. And instead of putting Marlena specifically here, we're going to put left parentheses, right parentheses, dot star. And then instead of putting Marlena here, we're going to put %1. Okay, so now it's going to see this pattern. So it's going to see my name is, and then it's going to see everything after the is. Well, actually, there's a space here. So after that space, it's going to see everything, and it's going to say hi to whatever that pattern is here. Okay. So let me run this, and then let me run this, and we're going to actually get a error message here, and I'll explain why afterwards. So let me put my name is Jack, and we can see the error. So to get rid of this error, we need to add in another parameter. It's obviously an optional parameter. We need to add in reflections. Okay, so now if I run my bot again and I type my name is Jack, then we get back the response hi Jack. Okay, I could type my name is Marlena, and we get back hi Marlena. I can type my name is Nick, and we get back hi Nick. Okay, so this right here is a lot more robust than what we were doing before. All right, so let's go ahead and stop this. Now, before we continue, let's take a look at what reflections is. So I'm just going to copy that and create a new cell here and paste reflections here, and let's run it. And what you'll see is that reflections is a dictionary that contains a set of input values and its corresponding output values. So for example, if the input is I, the output will be you. If the input is I am, then the output will be you are. So let's create well, we'll need to create another cell. Let's go down here. Let's comment out this chat.converse method, and I will show you guys how to kind of use reflections. So I'm just going to type chat._substitute. Okay, and inside here, I'm going to put you are amazing. Okay, and let's run this. And we see that it prints out I am amazing. So it saw the input you are in the reflections dictionary. So it sees you are here, and the output is I am. So it replaces it with I am. Okay. Now we can also create our own reflections dictionary. So if I just exit out of this, I'm going to create a new cell, and we can basically call it something like my underscore dummy underscore reflections. Okay, and set it equal to let's see, go, then colon, and then gone, comma, hello, colon, hey there. All right, so I'll go ahead and run this, and then we will replace reflections with my underscore dummy underscore reflections. All right, and now let's run this. And so we see that prints "you are amazing" because there's no input for any of these values. But let's go ahead and change this. So I'm going to put "go hello," and so if I run this now, we'll see that it prints out "gone hey there." Okay, because these are the input values. For "go" it's "gone," and for "hello" the output value is "hey there." All right, so I just kind of wanted to explain that there. But of course, we cannot use regular expressions at all if we don't have any type of reflections here. So we have to have some type of reflections here to use the regular expressions. All right, so let's go ahead and comment this out. And let's get back to creating our chatbot. So we're going to make it a little better, hopefully. Make it seem more realistic, right? So let's put in some greetings. So here I will put hi, hello, hey, holla, and hola. And I put commas here. They need to be this here. So it needs to be this bar. So hi or hello or hey or holla or hola. Okay. And the response will be hey there. Okay. So let me go ahead and run this. And then let me run this run this chatbot again. So I'm gonna put hi, and it says hey there. I'm gonna put hello. It says hey there. I'm gonna put let me see hey, and it's gonna say hey there. All right. So I'm gonna stop this chatbot really quick, and maybe I want more responses than just the hey there. So to do that, I just put comma here, and we'll put hi there, and another comma. We'll put hey, kind of like in Spider-Man, the main character in the recent Spider-Man animation movie. The main character was trying to talk to a girl and put, and his uncle basically told him to say, hey, kind of like that. Probably not doing a good impression of it, but oh well. So we'll do that. Let's run these pairs and let's run our chatbot again. So we'll put hello, and it says, hey. All right, let's put hello again, and it puts hi there. All right, so this makes our chatbot up here more intelligent because we don't really know how it's going to respond, right? It's choosing these responses randomly. Okay, so let me go ahead and stop this chatbot. Let's add some more patterns and things like that to our chatbot and some more responses. So I want to maybe get multiple strings from the user. So maybe the user says blank in blank is fun. And so the response will be %1 in %2 is indeed fun. Okay, so this %1 corresponds with this expression. The %2 corresponds with this expression. So let me go ahead and run this. All right, and let's run our chat bot now. And I'm going to put Disney in California is fun. Is that what I had there? It's fun, yes. So let's press enter. And the response is Disney in California is indeed fun. Okay. All right, so let's stop this chatbot. We'll just do a few more things. We will get maybe the location of the bot. So we just put dot star, and then we'll put location or city, and then the response will be maybe we'll put a space and question mark, and then the response will be Tokyo, Japan. Maybe we want to get creator, right? So maybe we want to get the creator. So we'll do dot star, and then let's see if we can do create. Well, create it. That might be good. So we'll say, well, we say who created you? Question mark. And so the response will be Randerson 112358 did using NLTK. Okay. And actually I'll put a space here. All right, so let's give another pattern and response, like how is the weather in some place that we don't know? And then the response will be the weather in %1 is amazing, like always. So that's a very generic response there. So let me go ahead and run this, and let's run this chatbot again. Okay, so I'm going to ask it, how is the weather, or how's the weather in Tokyo? All right, and so then it puts the weather in Tokyo is amazing, like always. I'm going to put who created you? Question mark. Randomson 11235 did using NLTK. Let's go ahead and stop this here, and let's see, what else do we want to put here? Maybe, oh, let's do help, right? So anytime the user asks for help, we'll be able to respond. So I will put dot star help, and then maybe dot star again. All right, so basically anytime they type help, we should be able to respond with I can help you. So let me go ahead and run this, and let's run this chat bot, and let's put a I need help please, and then it prints out I can help you. Okay, so that's good. I'm stopping the chat bot again, and yeah, we can keep going on with this. Maybe the user asks the bot's name, so do dot star and then space your name and then question mark. Okay, and the response will be j.a.r.v.i.s, and I'll put my name is Jarvis. Okay, so let's run this, and let's run this chatbot again, and now we'll put what's your name? Question mark, and it prints out my name is Jarvis. Who created you? Do we have that here? Yep, we do. So let's go ahead and run that. Okay, so I know we tested that out earlier, but let's just see, it kind of working together. I'm gonna say hi, it's gonna say hey. That's, that's pretty good. Let's see, then we'll say universal at, or universal in Tokyo is fun, and it says universal in Tokyo is indeed fun. All right, so let's go ahead and stop that. So we can basically keep doing this, adding more and more patterns and responses to our chatbot to make it more and more robust for whatever it is that we need to do, or for whatever use the chatbot is being used for. And this right here is just an easy way to do it. So that's basically it, guys. We've created a chatbot here. Please become a subscriber of my channel for more videos like this and other cool topics. Don't forget to click on that like button if you enjoyed the video. And if you found this video helpful, please share it. Maybe others will find it helpful as well. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.